Hello everyone. Since the time expression of interest was launched, there is one factor which has gone some significant change, and that factor is related to family connection. So as we all know, family connection is able to award us up to 8 points in the new expression of interest system, and the definition of family has underwent change recently. So in this particular presentation I will take you through a deep dive understanding of family connection and how and when to claim those 8 points for family connection. So let's get into it. So if you have family members who are living in Alberta and who are a PR or citizen, you can get 8 points for having those family connections in Alberta. Now, obviously, the next question in mind is what is the definition of family? And earlier, family included applicant's immediate family. So your parent, sibling, and child were included. And before January 2025, you were also able to claim your grandparents, your uncle, niece, or nephews as relatives in Alberta. Now, if you are creating any expression of interest after January 29, 2025, you can only claim these 8 points if your family members are over 18 years of age and are either a parent, sibling, or a child. Right? So if your mother, father, your brother, or your children are Canadian citizen or permanent residents who are living in Alberta, you can get 8 points for those family connections. Okay. You cannot claim in-laws and you cannot claim grandparents, aunts, uncle, niece, or nephew after 2025. So what does that mean? So say for example, I have created an expression of interest on 1st of January 2025. Right now, I may not have received any invitation to apply, but I have created on 1st January 2025, and I say I had an uncle who is living in Calgary, right? So I claimed 8 points for that family connection. I can continue to claim those 8 points when I will get an ITA. Now, if you remember from one of my earlier presentations, expression of interest points are evaluated twice, right? One at the time of creation of expression of interest, and the next at the time of issue of ITA. So let me go through that section where I was trying to explain this. So if you look into this section, the expression of interest points are claimed twice, right? When a candidate is invited to apply, and then when they assess the nomination. So for any expression of interest that was created before 2025, those expression of interest are valid for 1 year. At any point of time, if you received a ITA, you can still claim the benefit of a uncle or an aunt or a grandparent in the actual application to apply. Okay, if you have created after January 9 2025, anyways you cannot claim those 8 points, but before that you can claim it. In-laws were excluded even earlier also, so that's not a change. So this is the major change that came in, which kind of clarified what is the definition of family and then tried and explaining how those points would be awarded, right? So this is what I wanted to cover in this particular presentation. Let me know if you have questions on this, and this basically concludes my FAQ series on the expression of interest. Next, what I'll do, I'll start off by doing a deep dive session of the Alberta immigration program in 2025, what to expect, what are the different streams available. I'll do a refresher course on that, so look out for that particular video, and let me know what kind of videos you want, what kind of comments you have on this particular video or to my content in general, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.